Hello everyone, welcome back to Have Fun with Shapes with Susan. Today we're not going to make animals, we're not going to make fruit. What are we going to make? Your family members. Okay, now today we're going to start with Daddy. Are you ready? How are we going to make Daddy? We're going to make Daddy with all these pieces. Look, some brown parts and some peach color parts. First, let's put the face here. We have a peach color circle. Ta-da! The face. One little semicircle to make Daddy's ear. The other semicircle to make the other ear. And now we're gonna put the eyes on for Daddy. One eye, two eyes. Mustache. Mustache. Hehe, so funny. Oops. Daddy, where's your hair? Don't worry, Daddy. I'm gonna make you very handsome. Your hair is right here, Daddy. Look how handsome you are. Let me comb your hair. Good job. Ho, ho, ho. Look, this is Daddy. Daddy, Daddy. I really love Daddy's mustache. Ooh, ooh, mustache. Does Susan have mustache? No, Susan doesn't have mustache. How about her daddy? Go and take a look. Bye!